Okay. So once again, good morning everyone and welcome in today's session. Okay. So we are almost on the closer of our topic of CMDB. Okay. As far as I understand and I teach in my previous trainings, almost things has been taken care in the CMDB session as well. So most probably today will be the last session on the CMDB, and I will give you the 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, for the practice and the reading part. Okay. Now Tejal raised one question that if I'm changing anything in my install status, my hardware status also gets changed, but there's a no direct relationship between these two. Okay. Let me search for the asset. Okay. Okay. So, Tejal, if you change anything in the install status, if you change anything here, okay, मान लो you put the configuration status as a in stock, okay, so your asset will become in transit and pending disposal. Let me take the value of the in transit from here and go to the hardware status and search for the in transit. See, if you do that change, it will impact your hardware status as well. तो ये इस वजह से हो रहा है. See, it is not directly, if I'm changing here, it is not directly impacting my place here, but it is impacting my asset state and substate. Then from here, a business will run and impact my these things as well. Otherwise, there is a no direct relationship between these two. Hardware status and install status में कोई भी direct relationship नहीं है इनमें. Okay, got the point?
हाँ सर.
Okay, so that is the reason. Means I'm changing in A, but is it impacting in C? It means there is something in between A and C which is getting trigger, and that is B. I'm changing in A, my B is getting changed also. Due to B is getting changed, my C is also getting impacted. ठीक, so वो चीज. Okay, so till now we almost discuss about CMDB, CI, assets, asset tags, asset का tabs basically क्या है, and three major tables called asset and CI field mapping, asset and CI install status mapping, asset and CI hardware status mapping. Okay, so these are the little important thing which we discuss. But today I am coming on another topic. Let me open the Word file as well. Okay. Uh-huh. So slow. Okay. So today I'm coming to the next topic, that is called the relationship. Okay. What is relationship basically in our CMDB part? Relationship says that how one CI related to the other CI. Suppose in your family, in Santosh family, there are the 5 people are staying in a home. There must be some relationship between all those 5. Someone is father of, someone is son of, someone is daughter of, someone is mother of, someone is mother-in-law as well. ठीक है. So in short क्या हुआ कि everybody has connected with each other via a relationship name. Santosh and Santosh wife. Relationship is Mr. X or Miss Y is wife of Mr. X. ठीक है. The same way in our IT field, in our industry, we have a relationship. Let's take another example. रेफ्रिजरेटर किससे चलता है? What input required for a refrigerator? Electricity, right? Yes or no? अरे yes or no तो बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Atul.
Say my refrigerator work on electricity. It chills my food. Microwave oven do the warming of my food. उसको वार्म करता है, हल्का सा गर्म करता है उसको, वो हॉट करता है उसको वो, राइट? सो देयर इज अ रिलेशनशिप, बट these relationships are very common here. We are able to understand in practical life. Okay. Before I go to the actual discussion of the relationship, let me tell you a CMDB model. CMDB model is basically a concept, a terminologies, or a practical way that how you are going to build your CMDB in the ServiceNow. If I take little more example here, I purchase or my customer purchase ServiceNow. Okay. Now they hired me and say, okay, Atul, could you please implement CMDB in the ServiceNow? Okay. If I relate this example with another example so that we can understand, my father purchased a house. Sorry, my father purchased a land. And I am the owner. Basically, मेरा चलता है घर में, ठीक है? I said, I want a good home here. I want a good house here on this land. That is my output. That is my intention. That is my expectation. Okay. Now, if my father want to fulfill my request, definitely he need to be think from the multiple perspective. Let's take example. Let's go to Anjan. Anjan is the highest experience holder in our batch now. Okay. Anjan bought a land. अच्छा लैंड है उनके पास, ठीक है? Now he want to build a house. Anjan, what parameter you will consider to build that house? Yes, Anjan, tell me. Anjan, you are speaking on mute. हाँ, बताओ.
So, what was the question? What parameter?
Yes, you will consider to build that house. Tell me.
See, there are a lot of parameters. First, the place or the land.
Okay. Place or land आपके पास बहुत अच्छी जगह पे है. You're at a very very posh area. Next.
Next is the budget. First, it will be the budget.
Okay.
Then the planning.
Planning में क्या? Planning में क्या? Planning I know, planning definitely planning, but planning में क्या? क्या consider करोगे आप planning में?
Planning में सारा चीज आता है ना कि भाई कितना फ्लोर बनाना है, कैसा बनाना है, how it will be.
Okay.
Right.
और
So
okay.
फ्लोर प्लानिंग होगा, उसका प्लिंथ कैसा होगा, उसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनेगा, उसमें कितने सारे कंपोनेंट्स आएंगे उस पर्टिकुलर इसको बनाने के लिए, पूरा घर को बनाने के लिए.
Okay.
तो कंपोनेंट्स में काफी सारे कंपोनेंट्स है, मतलब स्टार्ट फ्रॉम सीमेंट टू रेती वगैरह सब कुछ जिसको बोलते हैं, जो लगता है बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स, रॉ मटेरियल्स एंड ऑल. राइट. उसमें कितने स्टील लगेंगे, तो ये सारा चीज इसके अंदर आएगा. और फिर देन यू बिल्ड द दिस वन, क्या बोलते हैं, बिल्डिंग, बिल्ड द हाउस. राइट.
Okay. Okay. Now, few questions. Number one, where is the architecture design? Don't say it will come in the planning. I'm not agree on that, but where is the architecture plan?
Right. Architecture design is yes. It will come after the budget, right? Blueprint.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So now let's come to the our point. One more thing which I can think here to be put it, that definitely Anjan will consider the point that okay, I have 2 kids or 3 kids, two are two are son and one daughter. So tomorrow when they will grow, they also need their separate room. And tomorrow I will be old, so I also need one room. And where I need that room, I'll prefer on the ground floor so that it is easy for me to go in and out. Right? So now if you see that these are the parameters required to build a house, the same way when we start building a CMDB, we need to be consider these parameters. How many CIs you have? How many CI classes you have? Okay. Then these are the two major parameters. How you want to see the model. Hierarchy specifically, if I say hierarchy specifically. Okay. Hierarchy. Okay. So these 2-3 parameters we say when I say hierarchy, it can be a top down or it can be a bottom up approach. Okay. So when I say that I need these things to be understand, I need this thing to be think, then only I will be able to make my CMDB model. Okay. Then to bring this thing, to build this thing, I say, okay, you have a CI classes. Being a functional consultant, you should know that what are the CI classes available. Okay, like I say, I have one field called the service offering, and then I have a CIs. Let me show you this thing. Because making CMDB model is not an easy task. It's required a lot of things to be understand. Create new. We have service, we have configuration item. Let me add a new more field here if I get it correctly. Service offering. Yeah, bring it here. These three are the major parameters. Service means I am saying my company is providing email as a service. Okay, I say let me go here. My services. My email is one of my service. I'm not saying that I'll provide email service on mobile, Outlook, iOS or Android. Email is a service I can say. Printing is a service I can say. So let's go and see how many services ServiceNow give us the default. Yeah, they put something like attendance management system. Portal is one of the service. Customer self-service. Billing is one of my service. Account is one of my service. Let me put attendance management service. Okay. Now let's see service offering. Okay. If I go here, okay. service offering, basically, we actually did not use this much in our day-to-day routine, but we can utilize this if you want to differentiate on the basis of the customer. Like I'm saying, email is my service, my portfolio. I provide ServiceNow training. That is my services. Services offering, what I'm offering to you at point of time. Only functional. That is my service offering. And under that, I have a CI. Okay. So this is the way that a CMDB model has been decided. Somewhere we call it as a CMDB model, someone called as a service model as well. Okay. Now in CI, I have a database, I have a server, I have a network. Then I have a router, switches, all these things are there. Okay. Then in database, I may have a Unix, Linux, yeah, Windows. Server में again I have AUX, ये virtual servers जो हमारे होते हैं. These things. But the question is that Atul, why are you telling all these things to us? How these are going to be worked together? Definitely, this is the major question, right? Why this is important for us to be understand. Now let me show you some other thing. Till now we did not reach to the point which we want to be covered today. Let me show you here. What I can say. Yeah. Let me open this server class. Okay, go here, application server, no worries. Wait, let me take any incident. All incident. Okay. Let me take this as an incident. Let me put services here. खाली है, कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ सर्विस नाउ में, and let me put CI is there. This thing, and let me save this. Okay. Did you guys notice one thing? When you click or fill this value in service and configuration item, you get one more thing. This button. See, service is over now. Service is not visible to me. Maybe some business rule is running in the background, or या किसी ने कुछ तो कांड किया. Okay, so you can see these particular things, right? This is called the dependency graph. Click here. Do you know that how this Arogya Setu app work actually? Anyone, any idea?
No, Atul.
Dipesh, any idea? Uman, Narayan, Shilpi, Tejal, Santosh.
It basically work on that location concept.
Okay. Next. Then next.
It works on Bluetooth,
Then next.
which is near field mapping.
Right. So, अरे यहाँ पे तो कुछ भी नहीं है इसका, रुको एक और ओपन करता हूँ मैं. Let me. Yes. So that is the thing. In the meantime, it's open. Let me show you one more. Tell me one more point here. So you say, Atul, it's work on the basis of the location. I 100% agree on that part. It's definitely work on the basis of the location. But can we say that it is a dependency as well? it found one person, then say that this person interacted with the 10 other person. Then it will found that 10 other person interacted with the another 100 person. Another 100 person interacted with the another 1,000 person on this particular location. It is creating a kind of a dependency graph for me, right?
Yes, it is relational.
It's relationship, right? If suppose in my society, I'll tell you an example. In my society, 2 or 3 weeks back, we have a society meeting. Due to some reasons, we need to call a society meeting. Approximately 20 to 30 people join that meeting. Next day morning, we came to know that one person is get COVID positive. Then dependency come on everyone. Who all in the meeting need to be isolate or start taking some precautions at your end. This is the best example of the dependency. Just the condition that your Bluetooth and your location should be on. That's all. Nothing is required much. All right. Primary contact. So they are creating a dependency on the runtime. If any senior leader, political leader get COVID positive, what they put on the Twitter? People who interacted with me in the last 5 to 7 days, please get isolated, because he cannot go to everyone now. But he can see how the impact is on the bottom level, and that is the purpose of this dependency graph. Luckily, we don't have any good graph here. Let me open any server. Oh, I'll go to the mid server. Sorry. Server here. Okay. And let me put this one. Otherwise, I'll pick up one picture from this thing. Okay. Scroll down and see here. Related items. See. Now I'll show you this graph. Why this dependency graph is required? Anyone, any idea? Why is dependency graph is required? Why we need Arogya Setu app in our mobile phone? Anjan, what do you say on this?
Dependency, actually, in a layman language में मैं समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. डिपेंडेंसी करना पड़ता है क्योंकि आपका जो कोई भी एक मेन सर्विस है, वो सर्विस किसी ना किसी के चलते डिपेंडेंट रहता है.
नहीं, अंजन, no. Don't go in the service now. My simple purpose is that why I'm using Arogya Setu app. What is the end purpose of this?
आरोग्य सेतु ऐप आप इसलिए यूज करते हैं कि आपका जो मेडिकल हेल्थ कंडीशन है वो आपके सोसाइटी के अंदर वो चीज को कैसे आप उसको इवॉल्व करते हो. मतलब अगर सपोज वो आरोग्य सेतु एक दूसरे के साथ अगर कनेक्टेड सपोज रहेगा तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि आपके बाजू वाला या आपके कोई कलीग के साथ आप जब मिलते हैं या उसकी हेल्थ कंडीशन आपको पता चले, एक दूसरे की हेल्थ कंडीशन आपको पता चले.
Okay, now let me come to another one. Shilpi, what is the end goal of Arogya Setu app?
क्या बोला अतुल आपने?
हाँ, ये अच्छा है.
नहीं, एंड क्या बोला? I could not listen properly.
What is the end goal of Arogya Setu app?
End goal. मैंने वो यूज भी नहीं किया है.
Very good. Tejal, what do you say? What is the end goal of Arogya Setu app?
So we can track the number of cases nearby our areas, means how many people are COVID positive.
Yes. So in short, if I say that how Arogya Setu app work, we just understand at our level that on the top 1% is positive, he interacted with the 10%, and then 10% interacted with the more 100%. So with the help of Arogya Setu, I can visualize that
It's a visual cue.
exactly what is the impact of one person if he get positive on the COVID side. अगर वो एक पर्सन का रिलेशनशिप मुझे मिल जाए, so from there I can reach out to at this particular place, right? And I can see, oh my God, the impact is so much high. Count definitely I can get the count definitely, but end user is that why government saying use the Arogya Setu app to know the impact of that particular stuff. That is the purpose. They're just able to visualize this. Actually, I'm not sure that what they're getting, but they can visualize this, that if one person get impacted, how is going to impact the other customers as well? Who is the end customer who is going to be impacted with the same? Who is the end user? Who's the last person going to be impacted on the same part? Right? So this is the purpose of this particular Arogya Setu app. And the same manner we have in our CMDB. Now, if I take example, if there is something goes wrong in the MSEB, जो इलेक्ट्रिक्स का हमारे यहाँ पे connections होते हैं, I'm not sure that in the flats they have the MSB, MCB, but in our old home, मेरे जो होम टाउन है वहाँ पे अभी वो कांच मिट्टी के चलते थे स्विचेस, उसको डालो तार लगा के, कॉपर का तार डाल के डालो, ऑन हो जाते थे वो, ठीक है. If one switch get or one switch is down, what will be the impact on other switches? Think practically. If in your home something wrong happen with the main person who is earning for day in day out, if his health get impacted, what other areas is going to be impacted later or sooner? मैं नहीं कह रहा कि अभी इम्पैक्ट पड़ जाएगा, बट लेटर और सूनर किस किस को इम्पैक्ट पड़ सकता है, राइट? पॉइंट क्लियर और एनी डाउट ऑन दिस पार्ट?
क्लियर है तो
सो तो नहीं गया कोई?
नहीं क्लियर है तो
ओके. और भाई व्हाट आई कैन से, क्लास में थोड़ा अटेंटिव बैठा करो. आई कैन से एनी डे दैट ओके स्विच ऑन द वीडियोस कि कहीं सो जाए कोई. ओके, सो व्हाई दिस थिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड? When this COVID started, why we tell to our parents and the kids, please don't go outside from the home. I'll be there. I'll take care everything for you. If required, I'll go outside, bring something for you. But you guys don't go. The reason can be parents, we care because they are elder and we care them. We need them. Kids, we love and we need them as well. So we always say, okay, please, you guys don't go outside. I'm here for you. You and your wife say, don't go outside. I'm here for you. What you need, tell me. I'll order online. I'll go outside and bring it for you. So in the same manner, this dependency graph help a IT person to understand that if this database server is not working, how much is going to be impact? So it will impact all the 6 to 7 SQL server. It will impact the data center. It will impact the computer room as well. Right? But if this computer room is not working, maximum to maximum, it will impact only this list. But it will go up. It will impact all others as well. Right? Clear? Good doubt?
No doubt at all.
Let me take a name, then people say. We'll start from the hierarchy on the top. Anjan.
Clear, sir.
Santosh, Dipesh, and Narayan. Any doubt, any question?
No doubt at all.
Yes, clear, Atul.
Okay.
But just one thing. So this is what we are saying, right? Relationships are being shown here.
Yes.
But then somewhere it was built, right? When it was coming here.
I'm coming to that point. We have a two open question in our hand now. Number one, that how this relationship has been built, right? Second, why the relationship built in such a manner only? Means this relationship is basically on your CMDB model. Why you always says ki the chief of the house is only you, not your kid. Till the time your kid become 18 or more than that, he cannot be the chief of the house. Till the time you or your wife will be the chief of the house if you are staying alone. But if you are staying with parents, you will never be chief of the house, because we always respect our elders. We say no, पापा आप ये भी हैं, आप जो कहेंगे हम वो करेंगे. Then why we have this model on the place? That is our second open question now, which we discuss open at this point of time. What is the CMDB model? And second, how the relationship build up or how the relationship work. So this is the purpose of building the relationship. Okay. Dependency view is very good. Now multiple way to see this dependency. C horizontal, C radical, C force, C group. Multiple ways. Service now give all other ways. And don't ask Atul, can we add another format? You can add it, do the customization up to you. It is a pure coding. C, C++, I'm not sure that which language they use. So generally we use either vertical or either kind of a radical to see the direct impact on this. Now from this picture, basically vertical is always good because we always like a parent-child relationship, or the tree format we always like. And you can save this as well, and you can share with your team. This map is required in the change management. Now my question go to the married people, and especially to those who have a kid as well. Will you allow, or will you prefer to start the construction in your home during the final exam of your kid? Yes or no? A big construction, you want to renovate your house now. Will you start that action or not?
No, Atul.
Why?
First of all, they don't study.
Number one. Second,
It impacts their study.
okay, second point.
It will also impact parents' focus, right?
Exactly right. Third point is that basically because final exams happen in the month of February or March. And if you are working in any financial institute, specifically you are in some legal firms or corporate fields or the tax department field, you also have a lot of work in those days, right? So how you identify the risk? By seeing the dependency graph. If I remove your kids from your own house, okay, उनको नानी के घर भेज दें 2 महीने के लिए, वहीं से एग्जाम दे देंगे. Then you can still think for the construction, because you know that okay, मुझे manage करना है, I'll manage it somehow. I'll take some work from home. एक या दो छुट्टी लेके काम हो जाएगा. What is this? You identify the risk factor. How? By seeing this particular dependency graph. Okay, so this is the one of the topic that this dependency graph come into the picture. But now second question which raised by Dipesh. अतुल, ये तो क्लियर हो गया कि ये डेटाबेस सर्वर है, ये एसक्यूएल सर्वर हमें दिख रहा है, इतना तो हमें क्लियर हो गया, ओरेकल है, ओरेकल एसक्यूएल, ये सब चीजें हैं. But the question is that how this relationship can be built. But before that, my question, what is the relationship between these two? What is the name of that relationship? You and your mother. What is the relationship between both of you?
Parent-child.
Parent-child, or I'll say mother and son का relationship है. She gave me birth, right? So that is the relationship. So in our industry, we have number of relationship available. Okay, now I come to that point and then we'll close the session with the topic on the CMDB model. I hope till this point everything is clear. Yes, Santosh.
One question. Yeah, you said that this helps for the change management. Yeah. So will also help for the problem.
Yes. Why not? Your CI is mainly used on the three places: incident, change, problem. If you have an issue with this server, you have a problem on this server, sooner or later it is going to impact other servers as well. वो यहां से यहां प्रॉब्लम कर सकता है, उसके बाद सारा डाउन हो जाएगा. Okay, now we have this SQL server. Suppose on this SQL server I have 5 apps installed, right? So dependency graph, CI dependency graph is important for mainly for change on the top, incident and problem. Okay, someone say that it is a dependency graph and someone say it is a BSM. BSM is business service management करके है, if I'm not wrong. Let me show you. Let's go to the images. Yes, BSM, right? See, I show you one example. See this one. अरे यार क्या है ये?
तो ये कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं हम लोग, जो जितने भी एप्लीकेशन हम यूज करते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, समटाइम वी गेट टू सी दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर टूल और एप्लीकेशन इज अंडर मेंटेनेंस.
माय डियर फ्रेंड, वही हमने करना है अभी. दैट इज कॉल्ड द रिलेशनशिप. कहाँ गया वो स्क्रीन? लेट मी शो यू वन एग्जांपल. Now it will come. See, this is a BSM or dependency graph, and now you can see everything here. How it's going to impact one place. If this goes wrong, all the relationship on the top will impact it quickly. And believe me, I saw more than worst of this BSM as well. इससे बुरे मैंने देखे हैं. They have a lot of dependency. Okay, now let's come to our main point. That how this BS. Yes.
One more quick question. So so one server is used by multiple projects. So is our project is also considered as a CI?
No. See, how you can say one server used by the multiple projects? You can say on my server I have multiple applications. Application can be divided on the department's level or the project level.
Okay.
Because application is my CI, but project is not my CI.
So why I am asking, so the communication should flow in such a way. I mean, if one server is used by multiple projects, the communication has to.
Yes. Okay, let me come here. Okay, and let me check one thing I see here.
Or we will have some point of contact on each applications where the communication flow.
No, there is a field called the department specifically.
Okay.
That this particular application is used by this particular department as well.
Okay, then I think it's clear. Yes.
I forget where I can get this option, but in my previous project we implemented this thing. It's out of the box. I did not implement. It's out of the box.
Okay.
Now let me come to the relationship part first. That is important to be understand now. See, even you can see how many incidents are open on this particular stuff. All these things you can see. Okay, let me go back here.
ये auto attach हो रहा है या manually attach करना पड़ता है?
We will attach it. How system know कि मुझे क्या attach करना है?
Okay.
Right, it is we who need to be decided.
Okay. for future reference के लिए.
Yes. So now what we'll do, I'll show you that how the this relationship work actually. Okay. So for this, you can go ahead and click on the plus icon. I click on the plus icon. The beautiful part or the amazing part of this particular is that basis on your type of CI class, I'm again repeating, basis on the type of your CI class, ServiceNow show you the relationship here, and they're suggesting you that these are the best relationship which you can create with your CI. Okay. So I can say this is my server. Okay, this is my database server. I can say this database server contains. I can put contains means इसके ऊपर एक server और डाल देता हूँ. Is my parent server. Let me put like this. Is contain a NAS file, file system, memory module, fiber channel, disk. Okay. Tejal and Ishwari. It is little confusing for you. कि सर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि आप क्या बोल रहे हो, ये सब चीजें इस पे ज्यादा ध्यान मत देना. अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट कि भाई अब देखो, इफ आई टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ संतोष, संतोष एट वन प्लेस इज फादर, संतोष एट वन प्लेस इज सन, संतोष एट वन प्लेस इज हस्बैंड, संतोष एट वन प्लेस इज दादा, Santosh at one place is Chacha, Santosh at one place is Mama. So in the complete 6 or 7 points which I pick up, the relationship type is different for Santosh. When I say Santosh is father, it means Santosh has son or daughter. When I say Santosh is Chacha, it means Santosh cousin has a son or daughter. When I say Santosh is son, it means Santosh has father or mother as the parents. All right. So multiple options are there to build that relationship, to show that relationship. हमारा जो family tree बनता है वो ऐसे ही बनता है, right? So in the same manner, a database server contain parents, depend on some of the CI, distributed by some of the CI, host any child. Let me show you. If I click on the host child, I'll get some filter as well here. I said okay, it hosts this particular child only. Means on this particular server, I'm hosting these many applications. When you think okay, this has been done, now click on the plus, and here you can see that this is the parent and my database server one is the child. Why? Because I'm using relationship called the host child. मतलब कि वो सारे के सारे CI जिन्होंने इसको होस्ट किया हुआ है, मतलब ये क्या है, चाइल्ड और ये पेरेंट है उसके. Now let me go down. Used by child, मतलब ये सर्वर कौन कौन यूज कर रहा है. And now let me pick this example. Okay, click on the plus. Now again see these things. Okay, now suppose I build this relationship. Let me click save and exit. Click OK. And now if I go and refresh, ठीक है, मुझे दोबारा से रिलोड ही करना पड़ेगा. ओके, yes, it's loading my dependency graph. Okay, now see the way we define the relationship. अब आप बोलेंगे अतुल हमने तो सिर्फ एक ही बनाया था, ये ऊपर कैसे आ गए? Because the CI which I pick up already have a relationship. If I say that Santosh is Chacha, So Santosh is cousin of, or is elder brother of one of the cousin. That cousin has a child. So वो relationship भी मुझे यहाँ पे build होगा. ये. If I show you here, now you can see. This. And you are able to see this cross mark as well, right? It means on this particular CI, I have one incident has been open. Let's see what this means. Open changes हैं. ये CI के लिए, changes के लिए, और ये I guess problem के लिए होगा. One problem record is open on this. By this way, you can build a relationship as well. Suppose now I have a router. Let me click on the router here. Router is means it has a relationship used by. Now let me build a relationship on the router, and I want to see the router relationship. See. This. Now I click on the plus. Now I'm on the window cluster, and you see that my relationship has been changed. Right? I say members. So every CI has a relationship somehow. Okay, I'll say this. Click on the plus. And now save and exit. Okay. Okay. Now if you see, I'll open this dependency graph. See, this has been increased automatically, members, all these things. If you want to see the dependency graph, you can see. See, single है.
ये सारे फुलफिलर को आरसीए के लिए हेल्प हो सकता है तो?
डेफिनेटली होगा ना. डेफिनेटली डिपेंडेंसी का मतलब ही यही है. रिमेंबर, आरोग्य सेतु ऐप का पर्पस ही यही है, टू आइडेंटिफाई द आरसीए कि बॉस ये आ कहां से रहा है, कौन है जो अभी भी टेस्टेड नहीं है यहाँ पर. राइट?
यस.
राइट. तो वो चीज अब when the second wave of COVID has been started, people start saying that it is coming from the UK. Right? 1 or 2% came from the UK, they get positive. And they roam in the Mumbai and they spread it in the multiple places. But they identify, oh, it's coming from UK. Let's close the international flights from the UK immediately. And let's take care in the internal part as well. Okay. So this is the way that our relationship has been built. Dipesh, any question on this now? I hope you get your answer that how the relationship can be built up.
Yes, Atul got it.
Okay. So I just showed you 1 or 2 examples. Okay, and that you need to do the homework now. Start picking up some CI, build a relationship, see the different type of relationship. कि कौन-कौन से relationship हैं. Then it is easy for you to understand. See, there's a no. Okay, one change is there. 6 changes are there on this particular router. So if I open this, these 6 changes are there. And if I click on this, I can see the impact that if my router is not working, how much impact it has on the top level. ठीक है, समझे बात यहाँ पे? क्लियर हुआ? Everyone?
Yes, Atul.
Yes, Atul.
Okay, great. Now coming to the last point of the discussion, CMDB model. Okay. Basically, CMDB, when I say the CMDB model, I have few major things which we already discussed, like services. Okay. Someone called this as a business service. Okay. Service offering is my application service. So we try to build a relationship that under my business service, I have an application service, and under that I have my CI. So it is this relationship, this or this. This is the best model we say at point of time. Okay. I'm sure Dipesh has a question. अतुल तो इतनी सी बात थी, पहले बता देते। वो इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि I want to show you something again here. Go here and search for the business service. Config nahi. Let me see if I can get something from here. Business service. हाँ, कह सकते हैं, ठीक है. Right, these are my business services. Let me search from here. Wait. Portfolio, customer services, employee, ये services, configuration देखो यहाँ पे, services, service offering, and under that we have a application services. Click on the services here, it will open the same page. See, this is coming from the CMDB CI service. Okay, like I have a APAC Loyalty Club, it's my service. Let me open the new page. Okay, under that I have a service offering. SD-WAN. Let me open this. It's my service offering, and under that I have a application services. Yeah, application services. Also, we can say application services are the same as the services as well. It is up to you that how you want to classify that. I'm again saying some organization consider service as an application service, or some says no, it is a business service for me. Okay, so it is an understanding matter. But at last, this is my service. Okay, and if I scroll down here, okay, under this I can have my application services as well. I can build a relationship. APAC Loyalty Club, that is my this service. I don't able to see any used for production. Okay, let me go to my service offering. No relationship also there. No worries. हाँ, relation देखो ये रहा, relationship देखो. My goodness. Because this is my service offering. On my service offering, many things are depend. My manual endpoints, my SD-WAN endpoints, application services, all are depend here. Then it go to the application services. कहाँ गया? हमने open नहीं किया क्या? If I open this as an application service, CAGM app service. See, there's a difference. When I say business service, it is coming from this particular table. When I say the application service, it's coming from this table. Both has the different way of working. लिटिल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टॉपिक है, ठीक है, but in short if I want to sum up this point here is that we have a service offering, and under that we have a CI. Some people use business service as a base, some people use the application service, and then use the CI under that. It is totally depend from project to project that what or how many services or how many CIs they have and how they can best accommodate that. When I know that in my house we always will be the 4 people only, then I'll make my model like this only. Top पे मेरा रूम, उसके नीचे मेरे बेटे का रूम, ठीक है, और सबसे लास्ट में गेस्ट रूम. अगर कोई आएगा तो नीचे वाले रूम में है, वहीं से आए और चला जाए, ठीक है. सो आई मेक माई मॉडल. बट इफ आई एम इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली, I need to think from the multiple factors so that I can build a good home for everyone. चाचा का कहाँ रूम होगा, मामा का रूम कहाँ पर होगा, दादा का कहाँ पर होगा, नानी का कहाँ पर होगा, मौसी का कहाँ पर होगा, ये सब चीजें सोचनी पड़ेंगी मुझे टू डिफाइन दैट पर्टिकुलर मॉडल. कुछ कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस होंगे बीच में कि नहीं ये नहीं हो सकता, ये ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. जैसे एक कजन बोलेगा नहीं मुझे तो उसके साथ रूम चाहिए, नहीं होगा बेटा, आप बहुत छोटे हो, आपको नीचे रूम मिलेगा अभी, राइट. तो वो चीजें हैं यहाँ पर. Any question on this point?
No, Atul.
Narayan, Uma, Santosh, Anjan, Dipesh.
All good.
Ishwari, Tejal and Shilpi.
All fine, Atul.
Okay. Ishwari, Tejal and Shilpi.
No questions.
Okay. Good. So now if you say no question, let me give you some homework. Okay. With this, we 95% done on the CMDB part, which basically a normal developer or consultant should know. Okay. Under that, we have 2 more topics specifically. One is called the HAM and what is called the SAM. Hardware asset management and software asset management. Okay. I will not going to pick up those topics. The reason being, because to work on these things, we should know the actual working of our models or the system on the place. But it doesn't mean कि अतुल आप तो कुछ नहीं बता रहे हैं. If you want to check, you can go here and type as a software and come here. Under asset, you have a software. Under software, you have a asset license entitlement, user license or license calculation. In software, basically, we have our licensing only. Like my company purchased 500 license of Office 365. So first they will make an entry in the licensing part under asset license entitlement. Okay, so if I open here, see, look almost same. Nothing is different. Look almost same. I'm okay. Asset license. Let me put any category as a license. Okay, license by this thing. Let me open this. This is my license, Microsoft MSDN 2010. And here I have a rights that how many license I purchased 600. Okay. Then when I purchase 500 license from Microsoft, definitely I need to give it to the 500 users as well. That come into the user license entitlement. Okay. Click here. कि किस यूजर को मैंने कौन सा लाइसेंस दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. Wait, what was our license name? This one, na? Let me go here, user entitlement, and search by the license. By not a single license हमने दिया. Let me open this one then. Click all. Okay, let's see 47. इसको पहले अपने assets में देखना है कि हमारे पास है भी कि नहीं है. Why it's not coming here? 46. Why 47 is not showing?
Atul, this SAM and HAM is part of CMDB or it's different
No.
altogether?
It's a two different module altogether.
Not part
IT
of CMDB.
No part of the CMDB. Even yesterday I was doing some R&D and doing some research as well, and it was clearly mentioned. If I show you on the screen here, okay, at management service now software. I'll show you. See, software asset management, totally different module. You need to buy that subscription actually for the software licensing.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is under IT, we have a software. And you can see here, they clearly mention that for ITSM asset management feature, see ITSM software asset management. It's altogether different. Implementation, usage, all are the different one. But if you want to see, you can see it here something. I'm not sure that why this is not coming in our table, user table here. Let's go here. And let's see this particular license given to this particular person, Ophelia Schaeffer. तो यहाँ से चीजें कवर होते हैं. I'm not sure that we don't have a field available form here. So these things you will be able to see or learn when you start using ServiceNow day in, day out. Specifically. Okay. Otherwise, there's a lot of things which we can discuss. But the problem is that if we discuss, then it is tough for us to be remembered. If I show you here one more term, you can see the contracts. Under contracts, we have a software licenses. That I have a contract from with the Microsoft that give me 500 licenses. They give me, you make them as an asset for me, and then I put it for the user. Let's see something with the license or not. Let it be load. Okay, so the hierarchy, the way of working is little different. Because if I it's hang yaar. Wait for a minute. If I open this under contracts, I open the software license. We don't have a license. Let me show you. See, we have a contract with the companies. This is again a big and separate topic to be discussed. I'll especially say that I have very limited knowledge on that part. Okay, and which I have already sharing with you. But the thing is that to understand these topics, it is required a separate module and separate trainings to be discussed. And I am not that person who can provide you that training. Okay, license is not there, user license is there or not something. User license, or maybe I need to check the field, that which field indicating that okay, this person using this license. So this is the way that you can see. I have a contract for the Visio. If I open this, first I make a contract, then I got the license. That license become asset for me. Then those assets I put into my user's name. Now it's showing the contract number, financials, renewal, all these things. Which assets they are covering? These assets they are covering. That on these machines, these will be, even though these are the license also, software only, Microsoft Word, Professional, ASP, all these things. So you guys need to put some time if you want to understand this SAM or HAM basically. Okay. But as a part of our training for the CMDB, which we discussed in the last 5 days, it's all covered, which I want to show you. Okay. Any doubt, any question on this point?
सर वो आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि जो फर्स्ट डेल का हमने आइटम क्रिएट किया था और उसका सर्वर दोनों वो पॉइंट डिस्कस करना बाकी ना सर हमने देखा पर नहीं मिला हमें उसका आंसर.
Okay, नहीं मिला. Let me show you something here. Did you see this chat? I'll show you here. उसका आंसर मिलेगा नहीं इतनी easy because that is a ServiceNow functionality. Let me show you on my screen. See, ServiceNow defined the model. Or no, I'll not say model. ServiceNow designed the CMDB by this manner. Okay. On the top, they have a configuration item. CMDB says our base table, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. From there, I extend this table and I make another 7 tables. And one table is called the hardware. Under hardware, I extend hardware and I got the create the computer table. And I extend this, I create the server table as well. And now on the server table, I have this thing. So if you create any server of any of these type of server, it will go to the hardware only as a hardware. So this is the answer of your question, Tejal. This is ServiceNow CMDB design. This is not CMDB model which you need to be implement. ठीक है, ये चीज ध्यान रखना. ये ServiceNow का मॉडल है जिसके बेस पर ServiceNow ने CMDB को रेडी किया है, बिल्ड किया है. ओके, सो दिस इज योर आंसर. इसकी जगह और भी है ना, नहीं है इसके नीचे 2-3 और भी होंगे लाइन्स अभी.
So Atul, these
Yes.
are not all the CI classes, or are they?
Are there the all CI classes ना?
Okay.
Classes or subclasses as well.
Okay.
Like the storage switch, OS server, storage, mainframe, server hardware, workstation. This is very old. This is 2G version. Okay. So Tejal, you can search.
Right.
You can search in Google CMDB computer model, and you will find something like this. If I go here, let me try to find out. Computer model. देखो सबसे पहले वो यही लेके आता है. Let me click on the images. Maybe this thing can help us to understand. देखो ये रहा. हाँ, ये छोटा लेकिन इजी अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए. Core company, manufacturer, देखो, all the things which are able to see on your CI is coming from the different tables. मॉडल से आता है, मैन्युफैक्चर से आता है, कोर कंपनी में सब चीज ऐसे बिल्डअप होती है. आईपी से आएगा ये रहा. सीरियल नंबर, यूजर ग्रुप, यूजर इंस्टेंस, पैकेज, रेफरेंस फील्ड और डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप में. ये CMDB CI हार्डवेयर कैसे बनता है मेरा, यहां से पिकअप करके लेके आता है. देखो यहाँ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आइटम उसने पिकअप की यहाँ से. ऑन बाय ऑनर्स. ओके, let me cross this and see if any other screenshot is there. So CMDB is not the topic which anyone can cover in 2 or 3 days. It's required more. It's more you read, more knowledge you will get actually in the CMDB part. Even I'm not much clear on the CMDB as of now, even though I'm using for a long time now. So this is always confusing कि अतुल कैसे काम चल रहा है ये. Let me show you this thing. कहाँ गया?
बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है सर.
Yep. So the only suggestion which I can give you as of now. अरे कहाँ से आ गया ये? जो ढूंढा था वो तो मिला नहीं, कचरा लगा गया. हाँ. Now if you see this. So before we close the topic here, the only thing which I can be recommend here or which I can be tell you here is that read more about CMDB. और कहीं मत ढूंढो, सिर्फ ServiceNow के docs पे पढ़ो. See, they also look moving to the docs in ServiceNow. What is this here? See, configuration item, all the classes are here. So you can see, right? See, can you imagine this thing? CMDB model. These things. Okay. But this is a good one. If you can open it, you will get it. Chodo man, I'll not log in. I'll put this link to you guys. Check this. But this is a good one. To basic understanding, this is a good one. That is what I'm saying. I told you on the day one that ServiceNow provide me 100 of classes. It's totally depend on your requirement that which class you want to bring it.